Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is Hira Zahir, your maths friend. Math is not difficult, you just haven't seen it this way. Today I want to ask you a very honest question. Have you ever thought, why do we study maths? Why numbers, calculations and problem solving? Is maths only for exams or does math have a real purpose? Today, along with you all, we will discover the real purpose of maths using real life examples and small challenges. First, we should know that what is maths. So take a pause and comment down below the first word that comes into your mind related to maths. Yes, maths is not only numbers, maths is a way of thinking and solving problems. Every day, without knowing, you are already using maths. Let's see how. First, we'll take an example of sharing chocolates. Imagine that you have 12 chocolates and you want to share them equally among your three friends. Let's try to solve this puzzle together. So, here the question arises, how many chocolates will each friend get? Now, to solve this problem, we should think about the ways. Yes, the first method that comes in our mind is we have to divide 12 chocolates into 3 friends. To divide them, we'll take the table of 3 onto 12, and when we'll take the table of 3 onto 12, we'll get 4. So we'll come to know that each friend gets 4 chocolates. See, math helps us to be fair. So, one purpose of math is fair sharing and equal distribution. So, in this way, math helps us in making fair decisions in real life. And with this, we will move further towards our second example that is related to time management. Now, let's consider that you wake up at 7 a.m. and your school starts at 8 a.m. And to prepare for the school, you need 20 minutes to get ready, 15 minutes to take your breakfast, and 10 minutes traveling time to reach to your destination, your school. Now let's calculate that how much total time you need to reach to your school and to get ready for that. Now let's calculate 20 minutes for getting ready, 15 minutes for taking breakfast, and 10 minutes for traveling. Now let's combine them. 20 plus 15 plus 10 is equal to 45 minutes. So you must start preparing at 7:15 a.m. Then you'll have 45 minutes to reach to your school. So here we can see that math helps us managing the time. Move towards our third example of building a house. Builders and engineers use maths every day. Suppose a room is of length 5 meters, of width 4 meters, and the area of room is. Now, can you tell me the area of room? Yes, to find out the area of room, we have to multiply 5 into 4, and when we'll multiply 5 into 4, we'll get 20 square meters. And with this calculation, we'll come to know that how much area of that room is. So, math helps builders to know how many tiles to buy for that room and for any buildings, how much paint is needed, how strong the building should be. So maths keeps buildings safe. In these examples, you'll come to know that how maths is solving our real life problems. Now we'll move on to problem solving skills. Now, math trains your brain to solve problems. Do you agree with it? Yes. Let's try another small challenge. You buy a notebook for 50 rupees. You give the shopkeeper 100 rupees. Now, the question arises, how much money should you get back and how you will solve this problem? Yes, think about it. To solve this, we have to subtract 100 minus 50. We have to take away 50 from out of 100 and we will get 50 rupees. Math helps us in shopping, it protects us from mistakes, and it helps us making the smart decisions. Now, let's see math in a bigger picture and in a bigger purpose. So, what is the real purpose of maths? Math helps us to think clear, to solve the problems, and to make the decisions more smartly, and to understand the world around us. Scientists use maths to study planets, doctors use maths for medicines, game designers use maths to create games. So, math is truly a language that explains how the world works. From now on, try to notice maths around you when you share food, when you check time, when you buy something. Math is not only inside the books, maths is everywhere. And in the furthermore videos, we'll discuss more about maths related to our real life. So, if you enjoyed learning today, join me for the next videos. See you soon. Thank you.